Okay, good. How do you receive payment?
You can pay us by using PayPal,
Payoneer,
PayPal
Okay.
Payoneer. Yes.
Okay.
वैसे
Well, okay.
yeah, yeah.
That would be nice if you wouldn't mind sharing their details with me, if they don't mind, if I just give them a
Yeah, yeah.
quick email and just ask them what it was like to work with you.
Yeah,
Yeah. So
I can give you her WhatsApp number on it. Okay?
Okay.
okay.
Thank you.
So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you a small invoice, including what we will do for you and what's the cost. Then you can check it out, and my boy will send you our agencies all of the information. Then you can check it out by your own. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you so much, beautiful lady, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much. For now.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Sorry.
Uh, well, there's two main questions. The first one is about how, I mean, if I decided to hire your organization, how do we communicate with each other and how do I share? So do I give the videos to you to post, or do I post them and then you do stuff to them? How does it work in that way? And then the second question is obviously how much it costs.
Okay. First question answer is you can communicate to us by email, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Email, Facebook, or WhatsApp. Do you use WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Okay, then it will be better. The first question answer. And second question answer is when we upload the video, you can inform my boy and upload by unlisted, not publish. Okay. Do you know how
Yep.
to? Okay, then when you uploaded the video by unlisted, then you can inform my boy, and he will proper SEO. After proper SEO, he will publish your videos. That is the
Yeah.
process.
Okay.
Okay. And your second question is what is the cost? Actually, we have two type of packages available right now. First one is weekly package, and um, in this package, we have to complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion. You 10 videos, complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion. You 10 videos, and our 10 videos
10.
package. Yes, 10.
You
Yeah.
say 10?
Yes.
By এটা উল্লেখ করেন যে upcoming এবং already uploaded videos.
Yes, your upcoming videos and already uploaded videos, anything, no
Yeah.
problem. And our weekly package cost is $120 for 10 videos. And also we have another package that's called our premium package. And in this package, we have to complete SEO optimization and including organic promotion and including your whole channel optimization, like your channel description, channel keyword, and we can fix your channel's any error. Okay, your channel 30 videos, complete SEO optimization including organic promotion and your channel keyword and description optimization. And our premium package cost is only $300.
My question is that if I needed, I'm sorry, how do I pronounce your name? Araful?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Araful.
Yeah.
If I needed Araful to look at my YouTube channel
Yeah.
and fix it so that it was good, and then from then on just do SEO for 10 videos per week,
Mhm.
does that make sense?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, and how much would that be?
Yeah, 120.
They are actually part of a training course, and I want them to be hidden. I don't want them to be available to the public. I didn't worry about that because nobody sees them anyway. But if we're going to start optimizing the channel, then people are going to be viewing those. And
Yeah.
so I'd want the channel optimized,
Okay.
and then just the weekly amount of just the 10 videos per week.
You want to just optimize your whole
Yeah.
channel and you want to get the weekly package, right? Yes. Then you can just pay us for your 10 videos $100 according to our premium package. So I think it's very big discount for you.
Good. One more question. How long do I have the commitment for? Like, is it a commitment for only per month, or is it like longer? Like, if I decided that I didn't think it was working well, am I contracted to have to stay with you for a while, or can we just stop work
Yes,
if
yes,
it
yes.
doesn't.
Of course, it's possible. Of course, it's possible. You can just work with us for a trial week, and after 1 week, if you see yes, result is coming, and you are very satisfied with our work, then you can carry on our project. And if you see
Yeah.
no, you are don't satisfied with our work, then you can stop the project and fire us anytime, no problem.
Okay, good. How do you receive payment?
You can pay us by using PayPal,
Payoneer.
PayPal
Okay.
Payoneer. Yes.
Okay. Well, I'd be willing to trial a week and see how it works. To see how easy it is to communicate with each other and see if you understand what I'm doing and if I understand what you're doing.
Mhm.
Yeah.
And I actually am going to be. This is why I was interested in you, Araful, because I'm actually making videos tomorrow. So I'm going to try and make about 10 videos tomorrow
Yeah.
and Friday. And I want to therefore send them to YouTube over the next couple of weeks. You know, not every day, maybe a new video every 2 days or something. And so I wasn't sure how to do the SEO. So your timing was incredibly perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can just confirm my boy Ariful, then he will work for you. It's no problem. You know, we are working 24 hour because we are freelancer and
Freelancer.
our clients is always be US, UK, Canada. So our timing it's very difficult, but there is no problem.
Do you have any other clients in Australia?
I was
I
work with an Australian client, but many time ago, anybody.
Good. Is there somebody that I can ask that you've worked with before, so they
Yeah.
can tell me what it's like to work with you?
Yeah. I have a
Yes.
client from USA.
Oh,
And
good. Okay.
yeah.
That would be nice if you wouldn't mind sharing their details with me, if they don't mind, if I just give them a
Yeah.
quick email and just ask them what it was like to work with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
I can give you her WhatsApp number on it. Okay.
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 Thank you.
So after finish our meeting, my boy will send you a small invoice, including what we will do for you and what's the cost. Then you can check it out, and my boy will send you our agencies all of the information. Then you can check it out by your own. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you so much, beautiful lady, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. For now.
Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.